Here's a sneak preview of our show trailer for the next CETA show coming up in a couple weeks here. This is a Platinum Plus demo show trailer. This has a bunch of different extras like a soft wash system on here, 3,500 9-gallon hot water power washer, triple Haney hose reels which have hose reel guides, 100-foot inlet hose, 200-foot of high pressure hose, 200-foot of chemical hose through a 12-volt chemical spraying system, custom pump on there to handle sodium hypochlorite better, 31 horse Vanguard engine. This had the 15-stage wastewater recovery and filtration system, so you can do this for commercial pressure washing, house washing, and what is really what engineered and designed for, trash bin cleaning system. This is the newest service industry to hit the US with the pioneers and leaders in the industry here. This one is our dual bin grabber. This also has some extra upgrades like a retractable hose reel on the back of the trailer here. Dual tanks, one supply, one recovery tank. We do not use or ever recommend using the trash bin hopper as a holding tank. It's kind of, you can see where all the weight would be distributed, the thousands of extra pounds distributed over the very back of the trailer, not allowing enough tongue weight, very unstable to have it misengineered. So we have gone through a lot of research development. We build all the trailers custom in order to be able to have the right cargo load. They drive like a dream. They got oversized 7,000 pound axle. This is actually a 14,000 pound trailer package. We actually have the additional safety light package. You got the strobe dome light and amber strobe lights on the rear of the trailer. Dual bin hydraulic lifter, our proprietary all stainless steel 4 nozzle cleaning heads. We have yet to have to replace a worn out cleaning head. We don't try to profiteer over inferior components, so you know, just a different type of company to deal with. This also has mag wheel upgrade, 20-gallon winterizing tank built in. Those are the hose reel packs and the chem system and the dual tanks on there. We got an automatic battery disconnect on the front here. There's still stickers on the front where the hydrochem system cutout is. Stainless steel frame on the power washer, stainless steel burner housing, electric start through the 3,000 watt onboard generator, brushless, 31 horse Vanguard, which is 896 cc, about 40% more power than a twin cylinder Honda powered unit would have. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is it. Here's another package. This is actually a new release to this with our diamond truck mounted package here. This one's headed down to Texas right now. In fact, we'll even here tomorrow. In those triple toolboxes on the curbside here, there's an inlet hose reel, high pressure hose reel, and another soft wash system, chemical reel, just similar to the ones that on the trailer, but they're actually stored in their own toolboxes. There's actually 12 doors on this trailer for easy access. They're all locking swing out doors. Unlike the concession stand door that flip up, very dangerous for oncoming traffic. You don't want to clip somebody with a door right through the windshield, obviously. So we spend the extra bucks to do it and do it right. Nice high panel side. This has 2 400-gallon tanks and full wastewater recycling, so you can actually get out there with 800 gallons of wash water. With the heat and the filtration system, you're still cleaning with sanitized water, even with the recycled wastewater. So these are our new releases. Think kind of like our 2019 models, but they are now on the market, available. For more information, contact us at Hydrochem Systems. I'll show you that we also have a couple other some stock units, some sold trailers out here waiting for final authorization on the trailer wraps and everything. So yep, we're geared up heavy for the new industry. This happens to be the most popular color we sell, but we can do custom colors if needed. Dan Swede Hydrochem System. Let me zoom in here so you can see our direct phone number. Scan QC scanner, Hydrochem System. The website is hydrochemsystems.com. You can go to sales at hcsclean.com. This is what the unit on the trailer looks like without the wrap, the protective wrap on the stainless steel.